Here, push that button right there. Go like that. Okay.
There's
now
Gucka.
try Gucka right now.
But I can't do it.
That's Gucka. That's Gucka calling, Dada. I think he's calling for you.
How, Gucka? How, Gucka? How you doing, Gucka? How you doing, Gucka? How
What's
you
Gucka
doing,
telling you?
Gucka?
Is Gucka telling you about the dump in the bookstore?
How you doing, Gucka? Good, good. Okay, Gucka. See you tomorrow.
What are you doing?
Snow on roof.
Snow what?
Snow on roof.
The snow on roof? How did it get up there?
Put some snow.
Tell Mama, snow, snow on the roof.
Get shovel for me.